Hair sent me over a water wave wig unit. Now this one is only in 28 inches and I love the volume that it has. I feel like it's not really puffy at the top and long at the bottom. I feel like it's actually a really good medium, and it blends well. So one thing that I like about this is that I feel like the texture, the frontal matches the bundles, which I love because it's kind of hard to come across wig units that way. So I love that about this wig, and also it's like weighing heavily on my eyelash and I just need that to stop. Also, what I love about this is how it's not too much of a curl pattern, so I can run my fingers straight through the hair, which I absolutely love about the water wave hair texture. I could run my fingers on this side as well, and literally fingers are running straight through the wig. Now I'm not trying to like frizz up the hair, you guys, I'm really not, because this hair is getting bigger as I run my fingers through it. So let me tame it, okay? Let me tame it. Oh wow, I feel like it just got so big. But I think that this is a pretty cute water wave hair texture. I just love the luster of this. This is pretty. Like, this is so pretty. Like, I don't feel like it's too much. Like, I feel like it's super plush and it's like so full and just I am just going to go ahead and show you guys how I applied my wig today. Thank you guys over at Yolissa's Hair for sending me over this wig unit. I really do appreciate it. I think it's really, really cute, and it was super quick for me to put on. Also, I want to say happy holidays to you guys. I love you guys. I hope you guys are spending quality time with your family and cherishing the moments and making it through 2020. I know it's been a mess. And we're back, hey. And we're back, hey. So today we have Yolissa's hair. So I have not reviewed for Yolissa in a while, you guys. However, if you guys remember when I did that 2-in-1 video where I did the blue hair and I also did like the purple Barney colored hair, that was their hair. So they did send me a blonde wig. However, this time, that was a while ago too, but this time we're doing this water wave wig. So hair came in here and then they sent me over a hair scarf. What the world? All these hair scarves are starting to look the same. Wait, it is the same. I have two of the same ones. Are y'all companies the same? Yeah. So Yolissa sent me over a water wave texture wig. This one is in 28 inches, a medium cap size, and a 250% density wig unit. That's my type. That's my type. So I'm basically about to put this thing on straight out of the packaging. This one is actually pre-plugged. So, and I like that.